How to make a WhatsApp group admin. First, open WhatsApp and go to the group chat you want. Tap the group name at the top to access the group information. Scroll down to the list of participants. Here you will see all the members of the group. Find the person you want to make an admin. Now, press and hold on their name if you are using an Android device, or tap on it if you are on iPhone. Some options will appear. If you are an admin, you will see the option, Appoint as Group Admin. Tap this. The person you select will immediately become an admin of the group and will have the same management powers. They can add or remove members, appoint other admins, and change some group settings. It is possible to have multiple admins in the same group and, if you want, you can also revoke the role later. Remember, giving admin privileges to someone else is an act of trust. Choose reliable and responsible people to maintain order in the group.